Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Uber Eats driver profile picture. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Uber app, which is connected to your Uber Eats driver account. Once the app loads, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now tap the Account tab at the bottom, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Personal Info. This will take you to a screen where your personal details are displayed. To update your profile photo, tap on your current profile picture. You'll see a message containing a Update Profile button. Simply tap on the Update button and then select where your photo is. I will be selecting the Take a Photo option to get an image. Once you have the picture, tap on the Use Image option and that's it. So that's basically how you can change your Uber Eats driver profile picture. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.